Hey guys, we are back to we are back to Meep City and Memorial Day sale. Of course, there's a Memorial Day sale. Plus is 25% off. Boombox and candy packs are 50% off. Check out on sale items in the furniture store. Two-story estate and party estate are 50% off. And May 29th. So, you better buy it. Because it's a lot of money. I mean, not really a lot, but the thing is, it's the sale. It's a sale for 500 Robux. That's not, like it used to be 900. Now it's 500. That's a great sale. And now we will go in my estate. The big one that used to be like 900, now it's 500. That was the one that I was talking about. Okay, guys, welcome back. Okay, so here, there's two. Wait, what? There's two visitors? Oh, there's a visitor. Hey, girl, you wanna be in my YouTube video? Wanna be in my YouTube video? Okay, besties. Okay, guys, here is the dance floor. And here is the dance room. And the microphone is 1,000 coins. That's a lot. And popcorn is my favorite. Popcorn and the pizza are my favorite food in this game. Like, they're my favorite. Like, not even...
It's the only food.
No, there's ice cream. Well, yeah, ice cream's really not food. It's like dessert, but that's my favorite. Not really, but never mind. I don't know what I said. What the? Nice house. Thanks. Thanks. You're on my YouTube video. And guess what? It said that. Rosie said that. Wait, I think that says Audrey. I'm not sure. I think Audrey Rosie. I guess so. And next will be the dining room with the pizza. And all the business chairs and one little baby chair. Wait, I'm wondering, wait, can I sit in that, please? Wait, I want to sit in it. Man, I don't think so. Now here's the bathroom. Look at, hey! Oh my god, I'm going to pee! And then, the kitchen. It's not really much, but not really much. Like that. Not really much of that. And next, I just put a red for random. I don't know. Okay, here is my room. It's not really much stuff in my room. I put fix. Fix stands for thanks. Nice house, thanks. Look it, he's like a king. Hey, YouTuber. Oh, wait, are you a YouTuber? Sorry. Hey, you're a kid. Hey, kid. Sorry, I meant kid. And here is the playground for kids, but I'm not a kid. I'm a teenager, and obviously in this game. Oh, yeah. And I'm in level 4 in skating at Fountain Valley Skating Rink. Everybody, go to Fountain Valley Skating Rink. You will like. Ooh, look at it. She's in. Here, I will help her out. Okay. So I'm in level 4 in skating. Miss Patty helped me. At the Fountain Valley Skating Rink. Give a round of applause. So, I got to level 4 because she helped me a lot. Like, Rainbow Kitty, can you be my mom, please? Okay. Okay. I'll put K. I don't know what to say. And I will tell her, you are in a YouTube video. YouTube video. Dylan, how do you spell video?
V-I-D-E-O.
V-I-D-E-O?
Yeah.
Oh no! It blurted out! Gabriel blurted out. No! Am I a bad mom? Ew, no. I'm not gonna send, like, seriously. People just do it randomly. But maybe because I'm a I'm not really a YouTuber, but I shouldn't really do that. Like, they don't even know me. Well, yeah, they don't even know me, but one thing I like, ice cream. Well, everybody probably likes ice cream. Wait, did I show all the rooms? I think I did. Okay. Get it all today. Hope you like the video. Oh, there's one like right by me. So, oh, let's show them her house, whatever her name is. Look at that's the living. Wait, why are they facing there? I don't know. Okay, one visitors. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oh, so this is like a party room. The toilet. Timeout. Wow, this is so funny. Timeout. Like timeout, girl. Stop it. And sorry. And there's, oh my god, this looks very nice. Kitchen with a bunch of pizza. Yummy. Okay. Wait, why is it all Christmassy right now? There's nothing on this room. I'm sad. What? Please let me in, girl. Nothing's, wait. Bleh. Room and Pipper and Nyla. Ooh, this is like a baby room, something like that. This is like a normal room. I think, I think people like pink. Dylan, what's your favorite YouTuber? Dylan, what? Okay, guys, Dylan's favorite YouTuber is Full Inside, I think.
Lauren Side.
Oh, Lauren Side, sorry. Lauren Side. Dylan is a big fan. I'm trying to be like you. Sorry. Okay, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching this. There will be Sims 4. Well, it's not next. But Dance Off is next. Then it is, what is it called? It's like, I can't describe it, but, oh my god, these people are friending me and they don't even know me. So, first off, Dance Off, then it's like Beauty, something like that. I don't know. But then, I have VIP for it. Then, Sims 4, okay? Bye, guys. Dylan. Oh. Bye. And Starlight Sims 2. See,
Hello.
this is what, see, this is a
Okay,
big fan.
bye.